Most times, when I encourage people to grow their WhatsApp audience and WhatsApp status views, a popular question they ask me is, why? Why should I bother about growing my WhatsApp audience? I understand. At the moment, you have no need for it, no product to sell, no service to render online. Probably, you are employed or perhaps a civil servant, and do not look beyond your 9-to-5 job. But the truth is, the best time to start building your WhatsApp audience is now. Now that you don't have a need for it. This is because by the time you actually have the need, and believe me, one day, you will have the need, then it might be late to acquire that huge number of WhatsApp audience, because it's not something that happens overnight. Hi. Welcome to Go Viral TV. In this video, I will discuss 8 reasons why you should grow your WhatsApp audience and status views. The 7th reason will blow your mind. Number 1. Brand awareness. Having a large audience on WhatsApp can help to increase brand awareness and make it easier for people to find and learn about your business. When done properly, WhatsApp can help you boost your brand. In a separate video, I will discuss in detail on how to brand your WhatsApp account and why you need WhatsApp branding. Number 2. Increased publicity. A larger audience means that more people will see your messages and status updates. This increases the chances that your content will be shared and seen by more people. And if some of the viewers love your products or services, they will most likely share what you have posted on your status, thereby helping you reach even more people. Number 3. Greater engagement. With more views on your status updates, you will be able to gauge the effectiveness of your content, and make adjustments as needed to increase engagement. Number 4. Better customer service. WhatsApp allows businesses to interact with customers directly and quickly, which can lead to better customer service and increased customer loyalty. Number 5. More sales. This is self-explanatory. I guess you have heard people say that sales is a game of numbers. This simply implies that the volume of sales you have greatly depends on the number of people who are aware of what you are selling. You cannot sell to any number of customers greater than the number of people that are aware of your product. With increased engagement and reach, your business will more likely experience an increase in sales. For instance, let's assume that you are able to convert 10% of your viewers to buy from you. Then if you have only 100 status viewers, that means you most likely have only 10 buyers. However, if you are able to increase your status viewers to 1,000, which you can easily achieve on goviral.biz, then you probably have 100 buyers. Do you see the magic? If you have watched this video till this moment, I assume that you are getting some values from it. Kindly consider subscribing to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell, like and share this video. Please, do these, as it helps this channel to grow, and reach more people who might need the information contained in this channel. Let's continue. Number 6. Save money on advertisement. WhatsApp status enables you to promote your products, while spending little or nothing. Apart from the cost of purchasing internet data, promoting on your status is practically free. With a good number of regular status viewers, you have the potential of reaching larger prospects. Number 7. Make money from advert placement. As far as business is concerned, there is no limit to the number of customers a business wants. Every business needs more customers every day. If large companies, such as Coca-Cola, still runs adverts, then I doubt if there is any business that won't seek for more customers. Therefore, if you are able to grow your WhatsApp status views to a huge number, you will most likely be noticed by other people and even your status viewers. When noticed, businesses will start reaching out to you, seeking that you post their products and services on your WhatsApp status. At this point, you can charge them any amount of money. My advice is, if you gain massive WhatsApp status views, screenshot the views counter and post the screenshot on your WhatsApp status. By doing this, your viewers will know that your status receives massive views and they can start reaching out to you for advert placement. Number 8, you will attract more clients and customers. Have you noticed that in business, customers tend to buy from a seller who have proven to develop an authority in the market, than from low customer-based seller? This is ironic, but the fact is that customers believe that businesses with large number of customers are good in what they do, while businesses with little or nobody customer are most likely not good. Hence, if you are able to earn massive status views, and probably sell certain products, such as ladies' bags and jewelries, your viewers will most likely refer their family and friends to you whenever any of them needs such product. This will expand your connections, and earn you more customers. There are much more reasons and benefits of having a massive WhatsApp status viewers. If you care to start growing your WhatsApp status today, don't forget that goviral.biz still remains my most recommended source for free WhatsApp contacts. I made a video on how to get started on goviral.biz. You may check out the video. The link is in the description of this video. If you watched this video till this moment, I assume that you have gotten some values from it. Kindly consider subscribing to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell, like and share this video. Please, do these, as it helps this channel to grow and reach more people who might need the information contained in this channel. Alright. This is where I will wrap it off for today. In my next video, I will teach you the type of contents that you should be posting on your WhatsApp status, which will increase your viewers' engagement, and make them to always view your WhatsApp status. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.